Welcome to my channel, Housewife Good Info. Today, I want to share some good information about
how to treat abrasion with material around us that is easily obtained. A superficial damage caused to your skin as a wound or injury which has an impact on the topmost skin layer is known as abrasion in the field of medicine. You will have to remember that abrasion and laceration are not same. The former is less severe in nature, resulting from scraping of the epidermis, while the later one usually includes a sharp object. Abrasions can be easily healed with the help of certain home remedies. Causes. During childhood, everyone gets abrasion, which usually happens when the vulnerable skin faces a rough surface, while in motion, which grinds or rubs off the topmost layer of the epidermis. For example, abrasion can cause from running, playing sports, and others. People who had accidents can also have abrasion too. Sometimes women may have abrasions after having a sexual intercourse. Types of abrasion. Before knowing the home remedies for the abrasion, you must know what sort of abrasion you or your loved one is suffering from. 3 types of abrasions can be spotted based on the degree or severity of the injury. The first degree abrasion includes an epidermal injury to the skin and is most commonly spotted. The second degree abrasions, which include minute percentage of bleeding, affects the epidermis as well as the dermis. The third degree abrasion is the most serious of all, which involves the subcutaneous layer and damages the skin. Symptoms. Abrasions are some small injuries on the skin, and hence they are very easily noticeable. In some cases it is accompanied by pain, which makes it even easier to identify. Sometimes redness can be spotted in zones where scraping of skin occurs. Light fever can be noticed in some cases. In case of abrasion, which is much more intense, as compared to common ones, intense pain along with swelling, excess bleeding, numbness around the site, weakness in the area, and such case should be checked by a doctor immediately. Home remedies for abrasions. Luckily, abrasions can be treated at home very easily, and they shouldn't be of much concern until or unless the cut is really deep. The following are some materials that you can use to treat abrasion. Aloe vera. After removing the thorns and the outer skin of the aloe vera leaves, extract the gel. This gel should be applied on the abrasion twice a day. After applying it, let it stay on the skin. Turmeric. Turmeric is known to be an effective antiseptic. Take half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add a little water and mix it well to make a paste. After cleaning the abrasion with cotton, apply the paste on it thrice a day. Leave it to dry and don't cover the wound. Sage or geranium tea. For effective result in curing skin abrasion, dock leaves can be used as lotion. You can also apply tea made from sage or geranium leaves on the affected area. Lavender oil. Lavender oil disinfects the injury as well as helps in faster recovery. 3 to 5 lavender drops oil can be added to thyme tea. Apply this mixture at least twice a day. Other herbs such as a salve made of some tea tree along with comfrey are great at treating abrasions. Vinegar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar mixed with 3 tablespoons of warm water can be dabbed on the abrasion several times a day, as vinegar is a natural astringent. This process helps keep the abrasion clean. Crushed marigold flowers. Marigold flower is known to have antibacterial properties in it, which helps to heal the wound faster. Crushed marigold flowers can be applied on the affected area to acquire faster healing. Diet remedy for abrasions. No specific is needed to follow to treat a skin abrasion. However, certain food items can be included to speed up the healing process. Other treatments. Always remember, before treating the abrasion, always wash the wound properly. In order to clean it, you must wash the affected area with some cool fresh water and an antibacterial soap. This process may leave a bit burning or stinging sensation, but that shouldn't make you skip the process. It is very important to wash it in order to avoid infection. This is the end of our information on how to cure abrasion. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this information useful, please share it with your friends, so they also get the benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free. One subscribed from you giving 1 million support for us.